Welcome back to another episode of our vlog. We are here at nagar. So we're gonna show you around what you can do when you come to Chennai, nagar. You can do what are the activities you can do it over here. Right.
This is the right place to the right time to come. Not right place,
Right time to come.
right time.
What makes you think that
Uh,
it's not too hot? Not too hot.
yes. Otherwise, in Chennai, daytime it's very difficult to come out.
How much?
50 sir.
50 for one piece.
Yes, sir.
You want one?
We can have only one.
One,
No,
one piece. One is okay. So we are trying a corn over here in Nagar beach.
Butta.
Butta, yes, Butta.
Butta.
यहाँनिर चाहिँ हल्का केटाहरूले सेकेर चाहिँ दिन्छ म्याडमजीले. You can try
I think
first?
it's very hot. Huh?
Really hot?
Yes. Did you pay?
No, I have it. I'll give it to you.
No problem. I have a cash.
Do you have cash with you?
Yes. Correctly 50 rupees.
I only have 500 rupees.
He knows Hindi.
Who knows Hindi?
Akka husband. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Romba Nandri.
Let me try how you
Romba Nandri.
first go.
First time?
Not so bad.
I think this is not the first time.
Oh, this is the first time eating.
We had at home, okay, hometown. Bachpan ma khako chizharu.
No, यहाँ त first time खाएको नि त. घरमा त कति खाएको नि.
तर यसले पेट बिगार्छ जस्तो लाग्दैछ. साह्रै राम्रो पाकेको छैन.
अहिले थाहा हुँदैन भोलि बिहान. Good.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much. कस्तो छ? टमाटर ट्राई गर.
Pizza. तर काचो काचो लाग्दैछ है भित्र. उसको मसला राम्रो छ. मसला राम्रो.
मसला राम्रो छ.
मसला राम्रो छ.
Look at the view. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yes.
Only thing is, people have to take an initiative of cleaning these beaches. You know, you can see a lot of plastic around. They have just use it and throw it. You know, wherever they want to throw it off. So I think they take an initiative of cleaning it off. This beautiful beaches. It can be more beautiful than this. Look at the sunset. Oh my God. Breathtaking sunset. Hello sir, how much for the horse ride? 200. From where to where?
Double four na polam bhai.
No, single.
Double two polam le.
Double sevlo.
Double 400.
You wanna?
I don't want.
But still we have to go, no? Then
Pinadi hogarla le double super polam video na aatare. Video na adira vanga.
That is okay.
okay, I think like you can try one.
I will try. From here to
Return pe duro pedi return inge vandrum.
in the one. Okay.
We don't want to come return. We want to go there only.
No.
You just be here. I'll just go and come.
No. You can drop us there only.
Every corner 200.
If you go over there and come back, also it's 200 rupees.
Okay, I understand. See, the thing is, our scooty is that side. Okay, we have to go there only. So let's go.
Bhai,
We'll just go.
never double polam bhai. The video na take it na video. Okay?
No problem. No
Do you
problem.
understand?
Come.
No, but I think no. Let's do single.
त्यही त भन्दैछु त
Okay,
म.
single.
Single, okay.
200.
To 200.
200.
Ah,
Okay, no problem.
where? Which one? I liked it this one.
Okay,
I don't
let us
know,
sit first.
Left leg.
Oh my, left leg.
Left leg.
Oh my god.
We'll jump.
Careful.
Wow.
Your right leg.
Yeah,
right?
okay. Now it's my turn.
Okay.
Okay.
Give it to me.
Take
Give
it.
the camera.
Only. Oh shit.
This is the first time we are doing horse ride.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Give me.
Like it?
Give. Yeah.
Scared.
I'm a little scared. Oh.
You look scared. Pola, pola, pola.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh,
எல்லாமே நம்ம இடம் தான்.
This is something different. Thank you so much for the ride. They're very slow.
Okay.
Okay.
nice, right?
Nice.
Yep.
Careful.
Oh, nice. Thank you so much. 400 rupees. Thank you.
இல்ல ஆனா சில்லறை வேணா மாத்தி கொடுத்தா.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So
Finally,
a-
this is the first time.
this is the very first time we're trying horse ride, and
Yeah.
it's good.